Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to swap Floki Inu on Trust Wallet. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application, and then you need to provide your passcode or your fingerprints in order to log in into your Trust Wallet account. Now once you're successfully logged in order to swap your Floki Inu coin, you need to tap on this browser tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then you just have to scroll down and tap on Pancake Swap. This will redirect you on pancakeswap.finance, where you are going to swap your Floki Inu coin. But before that, you need to make sure that you have connected your Trust Wallet with PancakeSwap. So if you are not connected, then instead of this wallet icon, you are going to see a connect tab. So simply need to tap on connect, and then you need to connect your Trust Wallet with PancakeSwap. After that, you will have to tap on this Ethereum icon and you need to change it into BNB chain. Then you will have to select your Floki Inu coin. For that, you will have to tap on BNB, and after that you need to type Floki Inu in the search bar, and then it will be selected as Floki. Then you need to tap on this cake icon, and then you will have to select the BNB or USDT. After that, you will have to enter the amount of Floki Inu that you want to swap, and then you are going to see the swap button in the bottom. So you need to tap on swap, and after that you will have to confirm the swap, and after waiting for some time you will be able to easily swap Floki Inu on Trust Wallet. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.